Pressure set to maximum. Initiate wash. Foams breaking loose. Heavy grease visible. Getting into the tight spots now.
Temperature rising fast on the north quadrant. We need more coolant on the hull now.
The torch flames are intensifying. The Crimson Flame Dragon hauler has finally emerged completely. Initiating thermal stabilization. Cooling generators online. Cryosensors are reading. Proceeding with caution. Gradual reduction required.
The cooling is complete. This lava is workable. We've got massive chunks coming down. Check the heat on those components. Almost got the suspension free. Fire Salamanders confirmed safe.
Lava Beetle acoustics stable.
Transport vehicle departed. All systems green.
Secure the rear cradle. Check the alignment of the hydraulics.
Confirmation, Master. Ready to lift.
Engage winch. Initiate extraction.
Winch engaged. Tension peaking. Structural integrity looks good. Keep it coming. Final locks engaged. Vehicle secured. Well done, team.
Secure the rear anchors. Verify pressure on the flatbed tires.
Confirmed. The front is secure.
Winch cables aligned. Final walk around is go. Pressure set to maximum.
Initiate wash. Foams breaking loose. Heavy grease visible.
Getting into the tight spots now.
The floor level channels are fully engaged. The sediment collector trap is filling rapidly. Sump pump activating. Water pressure confirmed at optimal. Sequence complete. Time for a deep clean. These bolts are tough. Finally got it. Decades of grime. Just the steel now. Time to tackle the carb and intake. Watch for fuel spray. Okay, 1 down, 11 more. Scrape off that old gasket.
Helmet secure, visor down, gloves checked. Test complete. Perfect integrity. Ready for grinding. Sparks flying. That's a clean weld. Final check. Smooth as silk. All right, crankshaft extracted. Positioning on stands. Positionings. Checking bearing surfaces.
Intake valve secure, 8 intake valves total. Process repeats, exhaust valves now, 16 times. Rocker arm shaft position, rocker arm slid on, push rods in.
Cylinder head caster repositioned over engine block. Master restorer positioned. Frame and engine positioned. Transmission assembly here. Hydraulic hiss. Slowly raise the transmission. Alignment studs engage. New radiator positioned. Upper and lower mounts aligned.
Insert.
Mounting bolts inserted. Torque wrench engaged.
The battery's in, time for the ground cable. Looks good, now the positive. And secure the fuse block. Almost there.
And stores. The master restorer installs the new control arms and bushings. After mechanical insertion of the pivot bolts, a torque wrench is engaged.
Final inspection confirms the assembly of the Dragon hauler. Engine bay verified. Doors secure. Electrical systems operational. Undercarriage and drive.
Paint surface smoothness confirmed, no texture detected. Gloss consistency and color uniformity verified. Electrical test sequence complete. Vehicle transformation finalized.
The Crimson Flame Dragon Hauler returns.
Legacy established. Restoration complete.
Volcanic beasts protected. Excellence achieved.